Hi everyone, today we're doing a quiz style video of the IDs of the heart. So there's going to be 27 IDs, write them down and we'll go over them at the end. So for number 1, we're looking at tag 1, which is right here. Okay, number 2, we're looking at tag 3, which is right here. Number 3, we're looking at tag 12, which is kind of hard to see, but right in this area. Number 4, we're looking here at tag 13. So right here. 5, we're looking at tag 15, right here. 6, we're looking at tag 16, which is right here. 7, we're looking at tag 24, which is right there. 8, we are looking at tag 25 here, which goes along with 4 here. 9, we're looking at tag 26, which is right here. 26. Now for number 10, we're looking at tag 27, which is right here. 11, we're looking at tag 28, which is right here. And then 12, we're looking at tag 29, which is right here. 13, we're looking at tag 30, which is right here. 14, we're looking at tag 31, which goes along with 18 here. 15, we're gonna open up, and we're looking at tag 40 in here, right there, right where my finger is. Okay. So that's 40 right in there. Okay. Now 16, we're looking at tag 41. So here's your heart. Removing. 41 is right here. '16, then we're looking here. Tag 42. 18, we're looking at 43, which is right here. 19, we're looking at 44 and 45, so here's 44, right in here. And then 45 is right here. Right there. Okay. Now for 20, we're looking at tag 46, which is right there. 21 through 24, there's no tags on here. So I'm just going to ask you. So for 21, how would you label the top of the chambers here? Okay? Now for 22, I'm going to open the heart again. How would you label these indentations or ridges here in the ventricles? Okay. And then we are on 23. We're still inside here. What are these parts right in here? Okay. These fibrous connections. Now 24. How would you label this part right here? Okay. Now 25. We are looking right here. These next three are correlated to your lecture material. So we're looking at this tag 5 here. We want to know what that is. And now for 17, or for number 26, we are looking for 17, which is right in here. How would you label that? Right here. Okay. And now for the last one, 27, we're looking right here. What would you label this? Okay. So you can go back and relook at any of the tags if you need to. And now we're gonna go over the answers. So here are the answers. You can pause if you need a closer look. Okay. So number 1, we have aortic arch. Number 2, which was tag 3, is your pulmonary trunk. Number 3, which was tag 12, is your left ventricle. 4 was the apex of your heart. Right here, which was tag 13. 5 was superior vena cava with tag 15. 6 was ascending aorta with tag 16. So your ascending aorta into your aortic arch here. 7, we have right ventricle, number 24. Okay. Number 25, or tag 25, with number 8 was left atrium, which goes around with your left auricle here as tag number 4. Okay, so left atrium, left auricle. So now for number 9, we're getting here. So we were looking at tag 26 for right pulmonary artery. 10 was right pulmonary vein with tag 27. 11 was tag 28 with your left pulmonary artery. And then 12 was left pulmonary vein with tag number 29. Okay. So now for number 13 was inferior vena cava here. So here was your superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, tag 30. 14 was right atrium, right here, with tag 31. Right atrium, and 18 here is your right auricle. Okay. Now 15, we're opening up, and this is your aortic valve as number 40. You can see how it's connected there. Aortic valve right in here. Okay. 16 was your tricuspid valve, because we're here, right atrium and right ventricle with your tricuspid valve. Right atrium, right here, ventricle, tricuspid valve. And then over here was mitral or bicuspid valve for number 17, or tag 42. So we are on our left side with our left atrium and our left ventricle. Okay, so mitral valve. 18, we're looking at pulmonary valve for number 43, right here, going into your pulmonary trunk. Okay, so here's your pulmonary trunk, here's your valve. Okay, so those are how that's connected: pulmonary valve, pulmonary trunk. Oh, we're still open here. Now we are looking at the papillary muscles for number 19, and we were looking at tags 44 and 45. So here's 44. Here are your papillary muscles right in here, and then 45 is right here. Okay, now number 20, intraventricular septum between your ventricles here, tag 46, intraventricular septum. Now for 21, I was looking for the base of the heart at the top of the chambers. Okay, so base, apex, and then number 22 was trabeculae carnae, which are these little ridges in your ventricles. These little ridges here. Okay, and now 23 is your chordae tendineae, which is your fibrous connections here. Part of your AV valves, okay? So there are these little connections that are connected to your valves here. Okay. Now, for number 24, we said we were looking here. So I was looking for descending aorta. Okay. 25 was tag 5, which is your left coronary artery, which is this little artery right here. Number 5. Okay. Number 17, we have right coronary artery. So here, 17, right coronary artery, 5, left coronary artery, okay? Because we are on the left side of the heart versus the right side of the heart. Right coronary artery, left coronary artery. So right coronary artery, left coronary artery. Okay, and then if we turn her around, then we are looking at your coronary sinus here with tag 32. And that's all of them. So hopefully that was helpful.